Okay, welcome back. This is Elevations Part 3. We're going to be drawing the left elevation today of your house, so you'll need that handout that I gave you of elevation sheets. You should have your front elevation complete except for the delineation of the siding and the shingles, and we'll come back and do all that at one time, so you kind of get a picture of how to do that. Today you'll need, of course, your pencil and scale and your triangle, but you also need your floor plan. And we're going to be drawing the left hand side of the building of your house, so we're going to turn the paper around that direction here, so you're going to be drawing the master bedroom side, and you'll see the garage back here in the background. So that's what you'll be seeing here. These are that's the master bedroom. That's the window into the master bedroom. This is that bedroom number 2. This is that porch that you see beyond, and this is the garage that you see beyond even that. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is come in here and draw that baseline, which is your ground. You're going to draw this on the same sheet that you drew your front elevation on. You're going to just draw it on the top of the top of the sheet. And then we're going to start here in the left hand. Well, actually, we'll go ahead and measure up 8 inches at quarter scale. Go measure up 8 inches, and you can again just lightly put in that finished floor line, which is 8 inches above that ground line that you just drew. And then you're going to start over here. Just pick the left hand side, and you're going to draw this outside, which is going to be this part of the house here. Again, I've turned the page so that the bedroom's on the side, so I'm looking at the left hand side. So we'll be drawing from here to here, and we know that is 30 feet in width. So the first line you're going to draw is this left hand side line. Just draw it up, and you're going to measure over 30 feet, and you're going to catch the right hand side of that bedroom number 2 wall. Again, remember our ceiling line is 8 foot 1.5, but you'll see that dimension right over here on your handout, and you can go ahead and measure up from that floor line, and you can dash or just lightly draw in that ceiling line at 8 foot 1.5, because you're going to need that in a minute to figure your roof pitches. But then we're going to go on over here and get where this porch is, and in plan that is right here. We're here looking this direction, so you'll see that 4 foot dimension of the porch. So you'll measure over that 4 feet from that last wall you drew, and you go ahead and you draw that line in up in a vertical fashion. And then we're going to catch from the porch here over to the side of the garage, and that we'll have to figure out mathematically. But if you'll see that dimension of the whole width of the garage is 40 feet, the width of the bedrooms is 30 feet, plus that 4 feet, so that's 34 feet, and 34 feet from 40 feet is 6 feet additional that we will be measuring over. And over here, measure over 6 feet, and we'll be drawing that wall in, which is beyond. It's that part of the garage that's beyond, over in that direction. And then we'll come back and we'll do exactly like you figured out those pitches on the garage on your front elevation. Is we will come here and we're going to measure over 1 foot overhang right here, and we're going to mark that. And remember that fascia line started like what did we say, 3 inches below the 8 foot 1.5 line. So we're going to measure down, and that's going to be the top of our fascia, which is right there. And again, that fascia is 6 inches tall, so we can draw that line 6 inches down, and then we'll just bring that soffit over to where it meets the wall. And then I want you to go ahead and figure your 7 and 12 roof pitch. And you can do that. We'll do that right here from the very edge of that fascia line. We'll measure up 7. Then we'll come across 12. And then we'll